This video demonstrates the replacement process for the StackChan core and the main body. It explains in detail the complete procedure for disassembly, connection, and reassembly. Press and hold the power button to turn off the device. Turn the body over to the back. The StackChan core is secured to the body with two M3x14 screws. Use a 2.5mm hex key. Remove the two securing screws one by one. Disassemble the StackChan body. Unplug the 1.2524P ribbon cable, connecting the StackChan core and the body. After completing the above steps, you can replace either the body or the StackChan core. Since the replacement method for the StackChan core and the main body is the same, the following demonstration will use replacing the StackChan core as an example. Connect the ribbon cable. Align the socket and pins and correctly connect the StackChan core to the body. Reinstall the screws removed earlier. Press the power button on the left side of the body to start the device. That is the full content of this video. Thank you for watching.